If you are looking to get set up with a trading account, then listen up. In this video, I'll be showing you how to open an account with GoDoAbbado. Welcome to my channel. I am the Bullpen Trader. Make sure to subscribe and like this video for more tutorials and videos on how to become a successful trader. First thing you need to do is go to GoDoAbbado.com. Then navigate to the top right and click the Sign Up button. Once the page loads, what you will need to do is fill in the required information. Now, GoDoAbbado is a regulated platform, so you will need to submit your proof of ID documents as well when you make an account. Complete the registration form, then click Submit. The registration is now submitted and is loading. Once the account is created, it will redirect you to your client dashboard. From here, you can see your trading accounts, balance, deposits, withdrawals, and more. Now, you are ready to begin your trading journey. In the next videos, I will be explaining how to fund your account, how to download and install the trading platforms, how to enter your trades, and much more. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos. If you have learned something, make sure to like this video and comment as well. See you next time.